This surfboard rack costed us $85, but we were quoted $940.
We are constantly on the road. No address, no Amazon, no easy fix.
One day, this board got a heat strong enough that we couldn't use it anymore, so we had to figure it out. We almost bought that $900 surfboard rack.
We even got our first creator discount and we were stoked.
Yeah, this 40% down brought us to around $500, which we would spend on that, but since we were in Mexico and Tulum, the shipping there brought the price back to $940. So we couldn't pay that.
So we knew we need to find another solution.
So we went with Amazon, and this is what we found. And we're pretty stoked with it. Let me share with you how we did it. So the easy part was finding the surfboard racks. Nothing special about them, just regular wall racks made from aluminum so they don't rust and they are padded. But then I realized that we are going to need to put them on the van. And I could only think of two ways. One, making new holes at the van walls. The second one, somehow hanging them from the roof rack. But there's nothing straightforward about any of those. Because on one hand, we could make new holes at the van wall, put rivets, put the racks and call it a day. But that might cause new leaks inside the van to places where I cannot reach because all of the internal is covered with walls. And on the other hand, the roof rack is not aligned with the van walls, which means we need to somehow find a way to hang these racks that are meant to be hung on a straight wall on this uneven space. And that's when I realized the rack is not the hard part. The brackets are. So I started looking around, finding solution in Amazon and every single place I could look, forums, Facebook, whatever, but I couldn't. Until I was just looking at the van from a little bit far. And that's when I realized, what if I could find the same hardware that our awning is using to be hanged from the roof rack and utilize it for the surfboard racks? So I began searching and I found it. Apparently, the same company is selling the hardware separately and you can just buy it. So we went for it. We bought it, we got it. The only thing is that the holes of the bracket and the surfboard rack did not align. So I just had to drill 2 new holes to align the 4 together and put it together. The install was pretty straightforward. I just had to align the bracket with the rest of the wall of the van and put it together. There are 2 bolts going up here that are holding our current roof rack and another 2 bolts that are holding the bracket together with the rack. And this is extremely sturdy. I mean, I cannot move it. It's super strong, already holding for the past 2 months on highways, on dirt roads, you name it. So we're pretty happy with it. So that was it. Something beautiful about it is that this rack and these brackets fit many types of roof racks, not only this Promaster one. So click the buttons below if you're interested to see if it fits for your setup. I believe it do, and if you buy it from our links, it will support us as well.
And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us a lot. If you have any questions, just comment them below and we will answer everything.
Right.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.